Hello friends, welcome back to the Vanny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone sound and vibration setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to turn off notification ringtone sound on Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to off notification ringtone sound on Samsung mobile. So how to off notification ringtone sound today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, scroll it. Friends, click on sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration, friends, you want to set your phone on vibrate mode. You can set your phone on vibrate mode. Friends, you want to mute your Samsung phone. You can mute from here. So guys, I will on into sound. Friends, vibrate while ringing. You want to on. Friends, you can on your vibrate while ringing. So friends, your phone will vibrate while ringing. Friends, click on ringtone. Friends, you want to set ringtone, you want to change ringtone on your Samsung mobile, you can change from here. And friends, you don't want to use ringtone, friends, click on silent, and friends, you can see phone ringtone will off also. So friends, we want to off notification ringtone sound, so why we will off notification ringtone sound. Friends, click on silent option, and friends, you can see notification ringtone sound will off. Friends, now you cannot use your notification ringtone sound and your phone ringtone. Both of ringtone is off, guys. Notification ringtone and phone ringtone is off. So like that friends, you can off your notification ringtone sound. After offense, you cannot use your notification volume, and same setting with ringtone, you cannot use your ringtone volume on your Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to use friends, again friends, you will have to set your notification ringtone sound guys. Click here, notification sound friends, click here. Again friends, you will have to select ringtone and you can use a notification ringtone sound. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubts? So friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye my friends.